When your home or commercial building needs a good outside cleaning, call the company that offers the best pressure washing technicians and equipment at an affordable price. Fully licensed and bonded, we can make your property shine. Roofs, gutters, siding, brick or concrete, we have the best methods to get the job done fast and at the best price available. When it comes to pressure washing, don't trust the job to inexperienced operators. We have up-to-date equipment capable of handling any job on-site or off. Whether you need seasonal cleaning or construction cleanup or our low-pressure techniques, we guarantee your satisfaction. Fast and efficient, we leave your place cleaner than we found it and at a price you can afford. Call us today to get your free estimate or to schedule an appointment and leave your cleaning problems to us. Let us count you among our many satisfied customers. Call us today.